What's this cool looking thing you have here, Alec?
So we have these mittens on the robot that cover the fingers, and there's these silicone pads. We use it for wiping the tip of our adhesive dispenser. And now that we're switching to this design of the clamping plate, where the gripper, instead of using vacuum cups, the grippers grab the plate and move them around. We need to use the gripper to do that too. And so these mitts, we need to be able to take them on and off, put them on when we're wiping the tip, take them off when we're going to be grabbing these plates. And so these fixtures here are designed to catch the mitts and hold them, allowing the robot to take them on and off automatically. And so I'm just working on the program to do that. So far I have the part where it takes the mitts off working. I still need the program putting them back on. So I'll show you what it looks like to take them off.
Well, it's very smooth. I guess it's kind of like spring, not spring powered, but the flexibility allows it to open up and close.
Yeah. I mean, these are springs. So I was just trying to make a design that'll work with the 3D printing material. So this is like you can call it a flexure. So it's like a wide, thin material. So we get some level of stiffness, but it's able to move quite a bit without cracking. And then these bumps there locate on these dimples in the mitt, and then hold it in a defined location so that we can.
This is pretty cool. It looks like the robot just does one motion, so if it wants to pick up, it'll just go down and pull out. And if it wants to put back in, it just goes in and pulls out.
Yeah, and then there's these posts here, and that's the post is what's holding on the mitt and lets us pull out. And then there's some tricky 3D printing there with these posts too. See how it's like a square shape, or
Like
a
a
diamond. It's a diamond, and basically that lets us do this overhanging post without using any supports or really minimal supports. If you have those 45-degree angles, you don't need supports, so the prints come out really clean.
You see how it tries to pick them up?
I haven't done that yet.
Oh, okay.
Maybe tomorrow.
All right. Well, we look forward to it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Robin, what do you got to show today?
Hey, Sonny. So I am putting together an exhaust stovepipe for the laser cutter blower. So currently, the exhaust from the laser cutter comes out behind, goes underneath, through the wall. And that particular routing isn't very critical, but it goes into this blower right here. And right now it's just venting out right here. And so to be better neighbors, I'm going to design a stovepipe to vent it up. Yeah, and so the only trick is that I'm going to put kind of like a P-trap in it so that condensation doesn't go into the blower.
You know what? That's an excellent idea because we do have neighbor dogs.
Yeah.
And I don't want any of the neighbor dogs to suck up any of this cancer.
Yeah, so that's what I'm after right now.
Some heroic level stuff you're doing right now, Rod. And
Yep.
It's probably the best thing that anybody ever came up in this whole entire workshop.
You know, that's what we're here for.
Saving dogs.
That's right.
Thank you.
One day at a time.
Is there a reason why you replaced the bungee cord, Uriel?
Yeah, the bungee cord was just not stable.
A little more reliable when it comes to pulling out the. Cool. Beautiful. Prism, triangle. You making labels?
Yeah, I am. I ordered some more little containers so that for both pigs we have what do you call it, containers for every single device. So one for Prism, one for SpeedPuck, and then one for the Pro Starts, so that we can just easily switch them out. Yeah, they're
You even highlighted them too. Color coded.
And then I had also previously made this, or with the help of Alec, we came up with this holder for this screwdriver. So now we can just hang it down here,
Zip ties.
and it's not in the way, just sitting there. So.
You know what's in the way? I think this tail's in the way. Why don't you clip it
Oh
out?
yeah.
Yeah.
Do that right now.
Process improvement.
Cool.
Alright, today all I did was make this new desk peg because this laptop used to be back here and I always had to squeeze my elbows just to get in. So I made a little desk peg just to get it closer. I think it looks pretty well, so that's cool.